Hey, welcome back to Nitrous Outlet. I'm Nitro Dave, your host, and I'm here to talk to you about a nitrous puck. Today's job, customer sent in a Big Block Chevy intake to have a nitrous puck installed. So what's so great about the nitrous puck? Well, if your hood space limited, or maybe you just want to take up a little less area on the intake, the nitrous puck is a great option. It's also a great option for grudge racers that are looking to hide it and keep it a little less obvious. So let's talk about this intake. This is a Big Block Chevy intake. We're going to take it and machine the floor of the intake to install the nitrous puck. Then we'll have to install an access panel on the bottom so that you can connect lines to it. Let's look at one that's already finished over here. This is an LS intake, and it has a nice custom solenoid bracket with the solenoids attached. The LS intake does not require the access panel on the floor. As you can see, the inlet feeds feed directly into the puck. They come in, and they fill this cavity, and the discharges will spray directly down each intake run. It's almost as good as a direct port, but you can't adjust the volume per cylinder. But hey, no worries, our discharge pattern is pristine. So there's two different horsepower levels. You can go with trash can solenoids, and it will support up to 500 horsepower, or you can go with our 122 solenoid option, and it'll support up to 380 horsepower. Whether you're a grudge racer looking for something hidden, or if you just need to save some room, the nitrous puck may be the perfect option for you. Now, we're gonna kick over to machine shop, and we're gonna let Colt tell us how it's done.
Hey guys, back again here with Colt in the Fab Shop, and today we're going to show you the process on how to, or what we do on the installation process for the Nitrous Outlet Puck.
Hello, I'm Cliff, lead designer and programmer here at Nitrous Outlet. I'm going to walk you through the process of designing, programming, and cutting the access panel and solenoid brackets for the puck to be installed in the intake manifold. Colt has machined out the bottom of the intake manifold for the access panel. Now I'm going to measure it up and make sure I get the right size for proper fitment.
Hey, this is David Henry here. We just got done putting a solenoid bracket on this intake here, and I think it's about ready to go back into R&D for some plumbing and solenoid fitment. So we got it all dressed up, and it should be ready to go.
Hey everybody, it's Bradley up here at Nitrous Outlet. Today I'm going to take you through the process of what I do whenever a puck intake comes in here to work on. Basically, we're going to start off by putting the fittings through our solenoids, then we'll be dropping the solenoids on and plumbing the intake. So now we'll just do some solenoid putting together stuff. So that's the process of plumbing up a puck intake here, and basically from here on out it'll go to Rez. He'll do his pictures for it, and the salespeople will invoice the customer, and she'll be ready to go.
Well, welcome back. Now that you've seen how we install a nitrous puck in an intake manifold, are you ready to get pucked? If so, give us a call at Nitrous Outlet, 254-848-4300, or look up more information at nitrousoutlet.com, Specialty Nitrous Systems.